It may be cloudy beneath the surface, but let's see what we're working with. Travis Pearson, a very good friend of mine, blessed me with the opportunity to work with some of his Colorado collected fluorites. Some of these have absolutely electric colors, and I'm going to be working with bringing down the surfaces just a little bit, because as you can see, some of the interiors of these are completely out of this world and could be appreciated to the fullest extent if they were polished. Some with very unique features. This one actually has goethite inclusions within it. Some initial notes pertain to the cleavage planes. Some may break. That one is a potential, could break. Also, the exterior of this one is where we get the purple color. So by bringing down the surface, I think it's going to remove the purple. We'll see how it does. Okay, let's begin. I'm going to start with this one and this one. Also this one with the goethite inclusions, because I am so freaking curious. And that's it for 320. Moving up in grit. Still have texture. Let's drop it just a bit more. Good, glassy. All right, let's apply some cerium. God, this is a beautiful fluorite.